Assalamu alaikum. Today we started the next chapter, chapter number 13, sport and the movement. First of all, we discuss the background information about the sport and movement. You know that the organisms have the greater size and their number, so that they can be need to sport and their body, and so for this need to sport their body, they keep up as a body, as a mass, as a one unit, so that you know that this is the characteristics of the living organisms. Those organisms which can be live on the land, these are the characteristics of those organisms. You can know that the movement and the locomotion are the important features that can be help out, and the living organisms can also be use these features. So first of all, the major difference between the locomotion and movement is that in the when we discuss about the movement, the general meaning of the movement is to move the entire body or its parts from one area to the other area, or from one place to the other place. Means changing the place is known as the movement. But when we discuss about the locomotion, what is locomotion? When and the animal's whole body move from one place to another place, this phenomena is known as the locomotion. Means the movement of an animal is known as the locomotion. Basically, the simple example is that when we move our hands and our fingers, this is the simple example of the this is the simple example of movement. But when we can change our our place, means we can move from one room to another room, then this phenomena is known as the locomotion. And in locomotion, in higher study, locomotion can also be described from changing the area. Means they can animals, they can change their habitat from one habitat, they can move from the other habitat. This is also known as the locomotion. In this chapter, basically we study about the human skeletal system. So you know that the human skeletal system or animal skeletal system also responsible for the movement and the locomotion and the protection. So as the name shows, sport and the movement, which give the sport and the movement to body, the human skeletal system or animal skeletal system. So that we discuss the skeletal system. First of all, human skeleton. Human skeleton or human skeletal system. What is the skeletal system? It is a framework of hard articulated structures that provide the physical support and attachment for the muscles. So it also gives the protection for the bodies of the animals. This is known as the skeleton. Means it is the framework of hard and articulated structure. Articulated means the movable. Basically this term is used for the spoken something. Means our face movement, our mouth movement during the spoken, and this is all is related to the articulated muscles or articulated structures. So this human skeletal system also gives a protection, and this is the important structure. Then the skeleton is further divided into the two types, endoskeleton and the exoskeleton. The basic difference in the endoskeleton and exoskeleton is that the endoskeleton, endo mean inside, exo mean outside. Means the skeletal system or a framework of hard articulated structure which are seen on the outside of the body of an animal is known as the exoskeleton, but the skeleton which are present inside the body is known as the endoskeleton. As the human beings, the structure of the skeleton of the human beings or many other higher animals is the endoskeleton, because the skeleton are not seen outside the body. The skeleton is present inside the body, and the exoskeleton is present outside the body. Like the many types of arthropods. In arthropods, many types of insects are also included in arthropods, so that the arthropods body shows their skeleton on outside the body, so that this is known as the exoskeleton. Beside this endoskeleton, in endoskeleton bones and cartilage are present, and this is a live skeleton. And beside the bones and cartilage, in bones and cartilage living cells are present. Beside this, nerves and blood vessels are also present in the endoskeleton. And then the role of the skeletal system. As we see that the role of the skeletal system or the function of skeletal system is given to protection and support and the movement. So that due to the skeletal system, body can be moved from one part their parts, and can also be locomoted from one place to the other place. This is all movements are happening due to the skeletal system. Similarly, it's also give the protection of the internal organs. means skeletal system gives a protection. For example, skull protects our brain. This is the example of the protection of the skeletal system. Beside this, vertebral column protects the spinal cord, and ribs protects the most of our internal organs. Means this is the function is all related about to the protection. Vertebral column also provides the main support to our body. Vertebral column means our rib column. This is all about to the role of the skeletal system. The basic and major role of the function is the provide protection, support, and the movement.